Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making fried eggplant. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have vegetable oil, 1 eggplant, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper, powdered milk, breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, garlic powder and ginger powder. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. My well-cleaned eggplant is on the cutting board. Now I'm going to show you how I will peel it and how I'll be cutting it as well. I'll cut the ends of it. Then peel it. After that, I will cut it into circle. You can cut it any shape you want. Then put it inside the bowl. After cutting it, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then pour water inside. Then stir it round. After that, I will set it aside for 10 minutes. The reason why I do this is because it will take out the bitter taste out of the eggplant. I'll break my eggs inside a mixing bowl. I will add 1 tablespoon of milk. Then whisk it together. In the flour, I will add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, then stir it round. So guys, it's up to 10 minutes now. I'll wash it with this water. Then rinse it with fresh water to take out the salt. I will take a slice of the eggplant and put it in the paper towel, then pat it until all the water is out of it. This is how the rest of it will be done. Now I will take my eggplant and coat it inside the flour. After that, I will dip it inside the egg mix. Then coat it generously with the breadcrumbs. And put it in the plate. After coating it with the flour, egg mix and breadcrumbs, this is how it looks. I'll pour my oil inside the fry pan. When the oil is hot, I will add the eggplant. By the way guys, I'm frying this eggplant on a medium heat. I'll fry it on each side for 2 minutes until it's golden brown. Then flip it over to the other side so that it can cook as well. I'll take it out and put it in a sieve that has a paper towel on it. After frying it, this is how it looks. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my fried eggplant. If you enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.